guys, Supercar Collector here, and in today's video, well, we have the beast. So here it is, the GT3 NSX USA exclusive. So yeah, let's get it out of the box, and as you can see here, these are coming up very shortly. The Lamborghini SVJ, the Toyota GR Supra, and the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. So look out for them on the channel. But this video is this one. Let's get it out of the box. So here we go. Let's get it out of the box. So here we go. We have got the little box it comes with, and of course, the car itself. So let's take more details and let's get more close of a look up. So here it is, guys. The beast itself incarnate. This is a New York Auto Show exclusive with the two signs on it. It's absolutely beautiful. Even says on the box there that it's a USA exclusive. But yeah, if you want one of these for yourself, the guy that I get these from, as you know, has some of these left. So if you want one for yourself, I'd go and get one now. The link, it will be in the description. And let's get some pictures. So yeah, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. And the next video will be one of those three I've shown you before. So cheerio, and I'll see you again soon. To the Supercar Collector Army, peace out and stay safe. See you again soon.